Imagine facing not just an incurable disease, but a world that turns against you. A world that whispers behind your back, telling you that you're a fraud, that your fight is fake, that you are nothing. You feel the weight of a diagnosis, multiple sclerosis, and it's as if the ground beneath you is crumbling. For many, it's a death sentence for the life they once knew. But for him, for Far From Weak, this was the beginning of something far greater than anyone could ever imagine. As if the disease wasn't enough, the whispers grew louder. False allegations began spreading like wildfire. People claimed he was fake. They said he wasn't real, that everything about him, his struggles, his story, was fabricated. It wasn't just trolls online. Even people in his own circle began to doubt. And the wildest claim of all? That he was just an AI robot, an algorithm created to deceive, to manipulate, to sell a dream. But let me tell you something, no machine could endure the pain that coursed through his body, no algorithm could withstand the trials that were about to unfold. He was real. His fight was real. His purpose? Even more so. Then came the critics, YouTubers who couldn't wait to tear him down. They mocked him, criticized his $895 Faceless guide, calling it a scam. They said he was preying on the weak, manipulating people into believing they needed what he had to offer. But these critics didn't understand. They didn't see the sleepless nights he spent creating that guide, pouring his heart and soul into it, hoping that someone, somewhere, would find a lifeline in those words. They didn't care about the lives it changed. They only cared about their clicks, their views, their opinions. But the worst part wasn't the critics. It was the doubt that crept in, the doubt that threatened to consume him. Was he really making a difference? Could his work stand up against this constant barrage of negativity? Just when it seemed like the world couldn't turn any more cruel, the next wave hit. They came after his mission. His movement for modern men, a community built on strength, resilience, and purpose, was labeled propaganda. They said it was all a lie, a marketing gimmick, a false narrative designed to trap men in a delusion. They tried to tear down everything he had built to reduce his life's work to nothing more than a scam. Think about it. Years of dedication, of fighting for a cause you believe in, only for it to be dismissed as a joke. For some, this would be the breaking point. For Far From Weak, it was fuel for the fire inside him. And then came the darkest moment, a time when the disease took hold stronger than ever. His body was shutting down again, his limbs numb, his vision fading, his strength gone. And on top of it all, the world had seemingly turned its back on him. The thought of giving up became more real than ever before. He stood at the edge of defeat, staring into the abyss, wondering if all the pain, all the effort, was worth it. The disease had taken so much from him, and now it seemed the world wanted to take the rest. His reputation, his integrity, his legacy. But just when everything felt like it was falling apart, he found something deep inside. A strength he didn't know he had. His life flashed before him, not as a sign of defeat, but as a reminder of his purpose. He saw his family, his friends, the people who believed in him even when the world didn't. He remembered the countless messages of men who had found hope through his movement, men who had found their strength, their purpose. His family became his armor, and their unwavering belief in him gave him the power to rise once more. They didn't care about the lies, the propaganda. They knew the truth, and so did he. And so instead of bowing to the pressure, he stood tall. He fought back, not with anger, not with retaliation, but with truth. Every false accusation, every attack on his character became another reason to keep going, another reason to prove them wrong. Every battle he fought against his disease, against the world, became fuel for the fire within him. The more they tried to tear him down, the stronger he became. He didn't just survive, He thrived. He proved to the world that real strength isn't just about muscles or status. Out. Ringcellen or counter. Thumrikud standing up when the world tries to knock you down. Vowed pushing forward when every fiber of your being screams for you to stop. And when they called his $895 guide a scam, he didn't respond with words. He responded with results. He let the thousands of men who found hope through his work speak for him. He didn't need to defend himself. His actions, his impact, spoke louder than any critic could ever shout. His movement wasn't propaganda. It became a revolution, a beacon of hope for men who had lost their way, who needed a guide to rediscover their purpose, their power. And as for the claim that Far From Weak was a scam, he let his life be the answer. Through every challenge, every setback, he stood tall. He didn't need to fight back with anger or aggression. His story, his resilience, and his refusal to give up became the ultimate proof that he was real. So, to everyone watching this, let this be a reminder. When the world tries to break you, when they call you a fraud, when they question your every step, you are not defined by their words. You are defined by your actions, by your fight, by the strength that refuses to die within you. Remember, true strength isn't about avoiding the battle. It's about embracing it. It's about standing tall when the world wants to see you fall. You are far from weak. And if this story moved you, if you're ready to stand tall in the face of doubt, subscribe. Join the movement. Because no matter what they say, no matter what you face, you are far from weak.